Welcome. Let's take a look at a simple conditional statement in Python using the example here on the screen. I have a variable called balance with an initial value of 1,250 cents. I seek input from the user, integer-based input, 1 for withdraw, 2 for deposit, and then based on the input from the user, either 1 or 2, I ask the user for the amount. How much do you want to withdraw or how much do you want to deposit? Depending on the user's selection, it either increases or decreases the balance. And then at the end of the conditional statement, it prints the new balance out. If the user enters anything other than a 1 or a 2, then it will output incorrect input. This thing doesn't check to see if there is enough money to withdraw. As I mentioned right off the bat, this is a very simple example of a simple conditional in Python. Set a variable, seek input from the user, based on the input, perform a transaction, either reduce or increase the balance, and then output the balance. Let's run this code and see how it functions. Let's say I want to withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw $500. And then the balance output over here is $700.50. Let's run it one more time. Let's say I want to do a deposit. And let's say I want to deposit $100. And you can see the balance getting updated by $100. Let's run it a third time. And let's just say I type in an incorrect input. The balance stays the same, and it does output that the user's input was incorrect. Now, obviously, as I mentioned, it should be checking to see if there is enough money to do a withdrawal, which this program is not doing. One thing that you do want to notice is I am expecting a float, in the sense that even if the user types in dollars and cents, the amount variable is set up to accept that. So again, a very simple example of a simple conditional in Python. Thank you very much for your time.